It's here, it's here, it's here. My shoes outside. Hi guys. Okay, so if you're, how do I start this video? Hi guys, my name is Bethel. If it's your first time on my channel, nice to meet you. So if you're wondering why I'm excited, it's because I got a box of shoes from Zappos. Smiling for the thumbnail. Okay, so if this is your first time watching this any of my unboxing videos or any of my shoe unboxing videos, let's go ahead and give you like a quick background on why I'm so excited. So I basically get the shoes for free because I work for Amazon, and then they give us like free steel-toed shoes, safety shoes to work, so that we can ready to work and not get hurt. We basically have like $120 to buy shoes from Zappos website. So this time I found Martens. You guys, if you watched my last video, you said I unboxed a Timberland. Okay, so that Timberland did not fit well, as I said in that video. But then I had to return it because I really could not wear it to work. And at that point it was just there. So I returned it. And then I found these ones, which I'm unboxing right now. So they're Martens, or Martens. I don't know how it's pronounced. And I just know they're cute. I just know they're super cute. I need to find something to cut this open with. Give me 1 second. This video is very chaotic. Sorry, it wasn't like really planned. Amazing. This to open it. Okay, so I was actually on my way out when I received this box, and I was like, okay, I have to unbox it and see if the shoes fit right before I leave. Okay, so this I like the box, but I prefer the Timberland box. But okay, let's move back and see what's in the box. So it says Air Bear Martens. That probably sounds weird with my accent, so I'll just write it down here. With bouncing soles. Oh, this is what it looks like. That's how it's packaged. It says composite toe, steel toe, electric hazard, blah blah blah. Just tells you about the whole industrial protection and that it's tested and that it's still and it's safety shoes and it works. So hopefully these ones fit and I don't have to return them. But let's open it. That's what it looks like. Okay. So they wrap them individually. I like how they didn't use like too much stuff for wrapping this, you know, because recycling stuff. Sorry. These are, can you guys see this, or is it just me? Okay, my obsession with shoes need to stop. Let's open the second leg. The smell of fresh shoes. This is what the shoes look like. This is what it look like. This is what it look like. I don't know, it's so cute, and it has a steel toe too, but it's so cute. Look at the sole. Okay, let me just put this on. Let me put this on so that we can actually see what they look like. I like how it looks like fat, so that way it looks smaller than it already is, so it doesn't make my leg look long, because the first Timberlands I got made my leg look long. And this is in a size 7 in case. Oh, okay, wait, you can't see. Let me bring camera down a little bit more. But on the second one, it fits a bit big, which is nice because the other ones fit too tight. Okay, this one fits perfect, and kind of go with my outfit. Okay, so see, can you see how cute these shoes are? Like, I like how it fits my leg. It makes my leg look fat, and I like that chunky feel it gives. Can you guys see this? Oh, this is awesome. And in front, it's comfortable, unlike the last ones I bought. Those ones were tight, so I had to return them, but these ones are like super comfortable. Actually, I'm going to give you guys like maybe like a 2-week review after I've worn it for 2 weeks. I'm going to leave it in the comment section. So if you're watching this video 2 weeks after I posted it, then I'm going to see the review, just so you know if you should get it or not. But okay, I'm running late for wherever I'm going to, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. I forgot to mention subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye.